Hi guys, it's Mr. Birkin here. Today I'm gonna having another unboxing videos from Louis Vuitton. This is from the menswear collection. Let's unboxing. I got this one in a few days ago. I didn't think that I having these items because it's already sold out. And when I want to pre-order before this coming, and I was not really sure which one I want to get at that time because they have like three different kind of materials, and then I pre-order saying they apologize because we cannot get another pieces of these items. And then one day, out of the blue, my associate sales there calling me, hey, I got this bag that you want. Do you still interested? And then I say yes. And then they say, can you possible to came over like today or the next day? I came straight away on that day and looking at this, amazed. Anyway, this is what the package, and it's always having the receipt. I always asking to receipt just in case. One is with the price and one is the gift receipt just in case. And anyway, so let's unboxing. This one aside. Do you have a guess what it is? Just put it. Sorry. Ta-da, ta-da. Have a guess. Ta-da! It's the titanium Cosmo. It's kind of fabricy. It's, do you know when you going to the road, when you're driving, they have like a sign. It's kind of that reflection kind of thing. And the fabric is they never make this kind of fabric before, and it's, I don't know, it's delicate or it's heavy duty or I have no idea. And the bottom is that Fagnetta leather. I don't know why they put this kind of leather on the bottom because this is the avoiding leather and this kind of thing. I have no idea why they're putting this on the bottom. It's just so weird. Anyway, it's only one zipper pull on the top and the bottom on the sides and nothing on the back. But the thing that I really like this thing is they can standing without anything. So I like the Voyage which is they can stand like this, and the one that I have, the Apollo upside down, it's just too flat and it's so clutchy. In a way sometimes I like it, but the most thing I love it is the thing they can stand, so it's structurable and it's sturdy. Anyway, so this the pull zipper is I think it's steel, and this is two. So I have another pocket here. Oh, this is kind of deep pull, so it's like that much. So it's kind of cute in a way. and it's reflect kind of thing. If you can see the reflection there. And the back is just a plain titanium. And the inside is only have one pouch sleeve there. And it's quite big sleeve there. And they have this kind of thing. Porsche Cosmo titanium, the barcode and everything. And this is just a booklet. Give you a closer look. So this is the kind of thing that I'm talking about. It's reflection, silvery. It's so cute. It's like a unicorn. When you look closer, it has like a grainy thing. I don't know, it's not focusing. And the zipper, it's very heavy. Cute, right? And they have the LV on the pull there. It's kind of cute. Inside is quite spacious. And the sleeve there. Another LV thing on here too. It's very, very cute. So, this is what the titanium Cosmo look like. I don't like the glaze because it's like a vernis, but just put a laminate topping on the top, and I have lots of problem with vernis because if it's stained, the stain will be stuck there forever. You cannot clean it, you cannot do anything about it. So I'm assuming the glaze is the same material. So I don't want to get something it cannot be cleaned. So I'm having this one instead of the glaze, which is the glaze is more expensive than this one anyway. But I like this one. I'm not buying the other stuff of this titanium collections. I only buy this one and the pocket organizer. As is because the material is very different from the other collections, and it's just cute. Like the material is very, very cute, of course. I don't know kind of this material for sure. It's just a cute bag, right? I'll be telling you the price and you'll be amazed. Okay, it's the Porsche medium, whatever they call it, and titanium. Bought in Collins Street, 13 September, Melbourne. Of course, it's $1,370 Australian dollars. It's not that expensive for a Porsche. Like the medium Voyage, the Voyage is 1,100, I think. And it's kind of smaller than this, and I don't know, maybe I think it's worth it for that price, and it's kind of cheap for Louis Vuitton. And yeah, I'll be showing you another video coming soon because I'm having another men's collection from Louis. This is for me now. If you have any question about anything about Louis Vuitton or Hermes or Prada or whatever, just link it below. They have a message box. Send me a message. I'll be replying as soon as possible. And thank you for watching. If you like this one, just thumbs up. And if you don't like it, just click it there. Just close the window. See ya. Bye.